Welcome back, viewers. Let me show you what not doing your tune-ups, not keeping your engine oil full gets you. That's blown up catalytic converter. 100,000 mile car. What it cost this customer? So what happened is the front catalytic converter, manifold converter, blew apart upstream off the cylinder head. Those pieces went down and got caught in the cleanup catalytic converter. And then if you look through here, you can see that you can't see any light through it. What happens is the droplets of fuel and the misfire start putting deposits along with oil. So if your car is burning oil too, those droplets get stuck back here as they cool off in the exhaust stream. Then the front converter from the misfire happening, misfire blows that catalyst apart, clogged this up. What a simple 4-cylinder tune-up would have cost versus what 2 catalytic converters cost. This is sent from another shop because they couldn't get it right the first time. So they changed the blown up converter, but they never checked the back converter to see if it was clogged. Stupid them, but hollow upstream cat, where did those pieces go? They went downstream in the exhaust somewhere, and if it has a cleanup cat, it's clogged in the rear cat. Simple tune-up, 4-cylinder GDI turbo, fuel injection services, good gas, keeping the oil changed between 3,000 and 5,000 miles, air filters, throttle body. Say if it needed a major tune-up, we'll just say, let's say they did their minor maintenance and tune-ups, it wouldn't have this problem and change their oil regularly. Then if they just waited to catastrophic failure, which they actually did here, this cost this customer in excess of at least $3,000 for 2 catalytic converters, not including fixing the root cause, which could have possibly just been simply maintaining the vehicle, could have avoided thousands of dollars worth of work.